If you're a Filipino planning to go to Japan in 2025, then this announcement from the Japan Embassy is for you. On January 9, naglabas ng advisory ang Japanese Embassy na medyo maraming Pilipino ang nag apply for a Japan visa. So yung visa application time na dati ay as short as 5 days, ngayon pwede nang tumagal ng ilang linggo. So if you're planning to go to Japan, make sure that you submit your visa application at least 2 months before your planned travel. This is applicable for both single entry and multiple entry visa applicants. I'm going to link the advisory to this post so you can check it out for yourself. Nandito na rin yung listahan ng mga required documents for visa application and yung mga application forms na pwede nyong i-download. Hey, it's Anne, and I share DIY travel tips and hacks for a comfy and enjoyable travel experience. If you have any Japan visa questions, just leave a comment and let's talk about it.